Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the advanced feature. We have two advanced sketch based feature, stiffener and combine, solid combine. So stiffener is nothing but the rib, which is we are going to add it in the plastic part to strengthen the part. So I have created this part. Now we need to do our sketch. For creating stiffener, we need to do the sketch in the perpendicular to the surface. Let me show. So I am taking mid section of this part. So I am clicking cut part by sketch plane so that you can able to see the inner profile of the part. So I am just creating one line. I am giving constraint for this line. Contact with coincide with the outer surface and coincide with the inner surface. So now you can so once your sketch is done, see by default you are getting this stiffener by selecting through plane. So by default it is taking like next up to next. So here you have two options, from side, from top. From top means it will go towards in this direction or this direction. If you select from side, so you will get the rib profile. So neutral is nothing but the thickness change, like it is symmetrically the part is thickening 1 mm. Next we will see the combine solid feature. So solid combine is nothing but we need to have the two different profile, each should be perpendicular. So in this image itself they have represented in this direction we have to create one profile and this one. By combining these two profile it will create a new profile based on these two sketches. So I am hiding the first one. I am going to so already I have created one plane. So first I am going to draw my profile. I am just creating one simple profile. So here I am going to create one circle. The radius of 20 mm. So once again I am going to create my second profile. So from the center point I'm just creating a way to show the difference. So this profile also I'm creating with 20 mm. So we have two different profiles. So by combining this profile, the future is going to create in this area. So profile 1 I have selected, profile 2 I have selected. See how this profile we have. So directly it is taking this profile and this one, and it is creating new profile at this plane. Yeah, thanks for watching my video. In next video we will see multi-section solid and multi-section removed multi-section solid.